I am Dr. Udgeet Deep, Director and Head of Cardiac Sciences at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. Today I'll just give you a brief insight of heart failure surgery pertinent to left ventricular assist devices, or in short what we call LVAD. See, once there is a severe LV dysfunction and the other treatment options, despite maximum optimized medical medication, these patients are having symptoms. So we have two best options which are left. One is heart transplant and another is LVAD. So being heart transplant, we need a cadaver, we need a patient who is brain dead. So the availability is very less. So the next best option is LVAD, which in a layman term is just like an artificial heart, which pumps blood from the left side of the heart and through that it pumps to the whole body. Right now we are using the third generation of these LVAD devices, which have reduced the risk of, which were related to the previous generation devices, which have reduced the risk of stroke, which have reduced the risk of bleeding, and which have increased the longevity. The longest devices which have seen till date, they are working for last more than 18 to 20 years. And the age criteria for transplant patient, the cutoff of age is 65 years of age. For LVAD, we are extending up to beyond 70 even, and with good results. So what has been seen, that even if we give optimal medications to these patients who have heart function less than 30% of, and they are symptomatic, they have symptoms of breathing difficulty, swelling in the body, rising creatinine levels, having fluid in the lungs. So we have seen that within 1 year, only around 20% of these patients survive. But with this left ventricular assist device, with this treatment modality, around more than 70% are surviving beyond 1 year of age. So this is a very good technique, and it should be offered to the patients who are at end stage and not just crashing. Just before they are nearing the end, it should be the appropriate treatment option for these patients who are having heart failure, and despite medications, they are not relieved of their symptoms. Thank you.